Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sophie Vitorino from Southwestern University, Philippines. And today we're going to do the Leopold's maneuver. So first things first is to make sure that we have washed our hands prior to touching the patient. Next is we're going to identify the patient and introduce ourselves, explain the process to the patient, and ask the patient if to encourage rather the patient to empty the bladder. Then you will compute the following: LMP, AOG, and the ADC.
Sa gari pa kay ma'am. Wala na.
Again.
Wala na yung pag sa inyo haran.
My name is
Wait, kinsay gari?
Ako matulog kay the full cover. Kaya ako pa ngayon mga full name. So, ang gagawin namin is Leopold's maneuver is actually ang pag-check, pag-assess ng ng baby forma niya. Kaya positions, kaya ang attitude, kaya presentation, kaya management. So, may confirmation na naman kaya next is we're going to position the patient to a dorsal recumbent position. Pangilisan.
Kung ipasira nito.
Then make sure that we drape the patient ensure privacy.
I-close na natin.
And after this is we're now going to start with the procedure. So before starting anything, make sure that our hands is warm and not cold because we'll be touching the belly application. And next is I'm going to start measuring the fundal height of the patient. So we are going to identify the fundus and measure the fundal height.
Okay. Tayo lang tayo.
So the fundal height is centimeters. After identifying the fundus, we're now going to choose the fundal grip. So I'm going to position my hand right here and identify the fundal grip. After this is we're going to do the lateral or the umbilical grip. So I'm going to touch here, palpate here, downwards. After palpating downwards, we're going to push the other side and identify where the area or the back is, the back of the or the shoulder. After identifying the back, we're going to start. We're going to push the other side again and identify the face or the area where the feet or identify the fetal is presenting the extremities. After finally identifying where the head and the lower extremities of the feet is, we are now going to identify as well the back and then get the fetal part. So we measure the fetal part. It's important to make sure that you're counting 1 full minute first position. And also making sure that this is relaxed. So we're going to use this side first to position our hands. Make sure to push this area so we can have more distinct sound.
Ayaw, sunod mo. Dito mo. Ato ka. Papel ba paper? Bulsita. Dito ka sulat. Dito ka nang sudanan. Dira ka sulat. Ayaw na sulat. Parang brown. Oh, dira ka sulat. Ano yung pagkaon?
Asa man ka mag-start of measure? Asa ka mag-start start of measure. Some photos. Tell me as a
Fetal heart rate is identified as 138
asa mag-yun. Igna ka
After
final.
identifying
Okay.
the
Okay,
fetal
good.
heart
Sige, I
rate
may measure.
of the baby,
Sige.
you're now going to do the Pollock strip. So position my
Hindi
hands
na
like this
tanawon asa
and
ang
identify
asa man ang ibutang.
if the head of the baby is
Ayun, abri na lang
near
ma.
the pelvic inlet.
Sa man nila sakto na ina. Dili na dira dapat tay. Dili
After
dira dapat
doing
umus pa.
the Pollock strip, we're now going to do
Umus pa.
the
Ana.
pelvic grip. So in doing the pelvic grip, since for the first three, we are facing the mother. For the last one, the pelvic grip, it is important to face the feet instead. So we're going to face the feet and position
Asa
our
man
hands
dapat ang
like
imong
this
puntos open
to
ha.
make sure to check if the baby is already near the pelvis.
First,
After identifying, we are going to
puntos pangitaan. Lubot.
ensure proper privacy for the patient. And then I'm going to document the procedure and the findings for the assessment. And then I will do proper hand washing to ensure patient and caregiver safety. That is all. Thank you.